Look at your hand right now. It's probably on your phone. You opened this video on the same device that's stealing your focus, your time, and your life, one scroll at a time. Your phone is no longer a tool, it's your boss. It decides when you wake up. It decides when you sleep. It decides how much of your life you actually live. Today, I'm not going to tell you to delete all apps and hope for the best. I'm going to show you how to take back control from your phone in a way that actually works. If you follow this for 7 days, you'll feel something you haven't felt in a long time. Presence. Ask yourself, do you reach for your phone within 30 minutes of waking up? Do you open Instagram for just 5 minutes and suddenly it's been 30? Do you feel anxious when your phone is not next to you? If you answered yes, you're not lazy, you're not broken, you're addicted. Your brain has been trained to crave dopamine from notifications, likes, and endless reels. And every time you scroll, you're trading real progress, real relationships, and real joy for a few seconds of numbness. But here's the truth. You didn't choose this. Your habits were designed for you. By apps, by algorithms, by companies that have high-level engineers. They designed the app to make you scroll endlessly. But the good news, habits can be redesigned. You can take your life back. Step 1. Break the first 1 hour of your day. Most people wake up and immediately grab their phone. From that moment, you're in reactive mode. You're not owning your day. You're reacting to your phone. Here's the rule. No phone for the first 1 hour after waking up. Stand up, stretch, drink water. Write down 3 things you want to achieve today. Just 1 hour without your phone resets your brain. It gives you your control back. When you feel the urge to check it, ask yourself, is this important, or is this just a habit? If it's not saving a life, it can wait. Step 2. Create 3 no-phone zones in your day. Addiction thrives on constant access. To break it, you create boundaries. Pick 3 key times when you absolutely do not touch your phone. First zone. During meals, put your phone away. Taste your food. Talk to people. Be present. Second zone. 1 hour before going to sleep. No scrolling, no reels, no endless videos. Let your mind slow down. Third zone. No phone during your most important work session. This is where your future is built. Your phone does not belong here. When you remove your phone from these moments, you will notice something. You start feeling present again. Presence is the opposite of addiction. Step 3. Delete the apps that waste your time the most. Most people don't overuse their phone. They overuse 2 to 3 specific apps. For most people, it's Instagram, YouTube Shorts, random games. Do this right now. Open your phone, go to settings, go to screen time, check which app eats the most of your time. If you use it more than 1 hour daily and it doesn't add real value, delete it. You can always reinstall it later if you really need it. But for the next 7 days, treat it like a toxic relationship. Delete it. Watch how much time suddenly appears in your day. Step 4. Replace scrolling with a real habit. Your brain craves stimulation. If you don't give it better stimulation, it will go back to the phone. Every time you feel the urge to scroll, do one upgrade habit instead. 5 minutes of reading, a book, or even a short news article. 5 push-ups or a quick stretch. Writing down your thoughts or goals in your diary if you don't have one by one. Trust me, you'll get clarity by writing your goals down. But remember, goals without system are just wish. I have posted a video about how to build a well-defined system. Check it out after this video. It is a must-watch video. After doing these things, within a week, your brain will start associating that urge with growth instead of numbness. If you're still watching this video, you must be serious about getting rid of phone addiction. Commit to this 7-day experiment and strictly follow the 4 steps you have received. Once again, we recall the steps. Step 1. No phone in the first 1 hour of your day. Step 2. 3 no phone zones in your day. Step 3. Delete the 1 to 2 biggest time-wasting apps. Step 4. Replace every scroll urge with a better habit. If you do this for 7 days straight, come back and comment day 7 under this video. I want to see how many people actually choose themselves over their phone. If this video gave you clarity, like it. If you want more content on how to be disciplined, building systems, and taking back control of your life, subscribe. Your phone is now your enemy, but right now, it's acting like one. Don't let a device decide how you live. Take back your attention. Take back your life.